Hello everybody, welcome. This is Wendy with loveandstampin.com. I'm so excited today to show you this little ornament that I'm going to make. We're going to use the Christmas Gleaming punches, but I wanted to just show you the stamp set because it does come in a bundle, and if you buy it in a bundle you save 10%. So you get both the punches plus the stamp set if you buy the bundle. So I have punched a whole bunch of Noble Peacock specialty paper. Now this paper is found in the annual catalog. This is not in the holiday catalog, but it's a beautiful color and it makes fantastic ornaments. I don't know if you can hear the click clacking of little feet, but my little Truvy dog keeps coming in here for a visit while I'm recording. So you're going to punch 8 of these, and then you're going to put them in something to score them, and you're going to score them in half, and then you're going to fold them. This is a fantastic project for kids. If you have young ones in your life, then letting them sit and punch paper and fold ornaments to make for their mom or their dad or... Okay, now she's got to shake her head. I'm sorry. So, anyway, for anybody in their life, their grandma, their grandpa, I mean, you know, whoever it is, and they can give it as a little gift, and you could even spritz it with a little bit of like essential oils or something so that it would have a kind of a Christmassy smell. That's what I have a few ornaments that I do that with, to make that kind of pine tree smell. We no longer get real trees where I live because we have a wood stove and our living room is really small. So what we found happening is we would go searching for Christmas trees, and we would buy one in the beginning of December, and by like the week before Christmas it was so dry that it could like be a major fire hazard in the house. It's just warm here in California, and the wood stove dries everything out even more. No matter what I did, it just didn't seem to keep the tree alive through Christmas. So one year I had to, the tree was so bad it was turning brown, and this is like the 2 days before Christmas, and it was horrendous. And I was like, oh my word, the needles were falling off the tree rapidly. Like, some of that happens naturally, but it was like they were coming off in clumps. And finally I said, you know what, I just can't with this anymore. So we took the entire tree down like 2 days before Christmas, burned it outside because it was such a flammable, it was like having a matchstick sitting in the house. And then I went and bought a fake tree, and I swore I would never own a fake tree ever. Couldn't do it anymore. Went and bought a fake tree, put the tree up, and we've had fake trees ever since. Now we have 2, and I'm planning on putting 2 up in the house this Christmas, one in the dining room and one in the living room. And yeah, we went ahead and just bit the bullet and got a fake tree, and now we don't ever have to worry about having to tear all the ornaments off and lights off and redo the tree 2 days before Christmas. That was a living nightmare. So anyway, that's how I ended up with a fake tree, and it sucks because I really love a fresh tree. All that is to say, that is why I spray some of my ornaments with Christmas spirit essential oils from Young Living. I am a member of Young Living, so I can get their discount. And one of my favorite things at Christmas time to do is use their Christmas spirit oil in a little bottle. I just put it in there with some water, and I put it in a little bitty bottle, and I have a bottle that I set in my bathroom to like kind of spritz around and make it smell good. And then I also use it on ornaments and stuff like that. I love the smells of Christmas, like the tree smell and the cinnamony. I just love those smells. Ginger, ginger cookies, stuff like that. But I have found a way to get it in a different way than in the tree. So anyway, I'll link to that below too if you're interested in getting the Christmas spirit oil. I'll link to it so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so on the last part here, you just need to add a bunch of glue into the middle of the ornament, and that's going to glue in your linen thread. Now, for some people, it might bother you that there's white showing on the edges, but it doesn't really bother me. Looking at this project kind of more as a kid's project, not so much some fancy project that I'm going to give to somebody for a Christmas gift. It's more like something cute and fun for the kids to do, and cute and fun for me to do too. And it made these really cute little ornaments. And then I'll just snip the top in half up here, and I'll tie those together in a bow, and they will then make the little loop for going on the tree. I do have ornaments that I've made over the years that I hang on a tree, one special tree. And so this one will probably get added to it. Okay, I had to share with you, Truby decided that she has discovered there's a big fish in our house. And this is the newest thing with this dog. She doesn't like it, and she's upset about it. And she thought you would all like to know that she's not happy with the fish. Literally, fish has been here for years. Dog just discovered it. Okay, so if you want to see any other videos from me, click on either one that you see here. Click the circle with my face in it to subscribe. And shop with me at Shop Love and Stampin'. Links are below the video. Have an amazing day. Bye.